Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to add my hidden blade to an avatar. I'll be showing you how to add it to the otter avatar. So first, you gotta head over and download Piomi, this version, or a later version than this, and import it. Now that you have that imported, now you have to go import the otter model, and you will want to scroll down and uncheck Piomi shaders so you don't override the other one that you just put in. Now you got the otter imported. Now you import the hidden blade. Now that you got everything imported, you want to drag the preset into the hierarchy and unpack, and then drag it onto the model. Then you want to drop down all of these until you can open up both the arms to the hands. Then you want to drag these to their respective places. So left hand goes on left hand, and lower arm goes on lower arm, and upper arm goes on upper arm, and the same for the right side. Now if you want to only have one, all you have to do is delete that and you have one, or you delete the other one, and you only need to do the arm for one of them. You don't have to do it for both if you're only using one. Now it's time to do the animations. First you would want to go to the parameters folder, add blade out, blade out left, that's not left, blade out left, blade out right, and blood. Then you would want to go to the submenu and go to subtoggle and add the same stuff. Blade out. I'm just gonna make it easier on me. Copy that, and then blade out, and then add another one. Blade out left. Make it a toggle. Put it the same thing. Blade out right. Toggle. Same thing. And then finally, blood. Make that a toggle. Do that. Then you want to go to the FX and add the parameters of all of those. So blade out, blade out left, blade out right, and blood. Now you can add some layers. So you could do blade out left, blade out right, and blood. And then you can set all the weights to 1 and add the mask. Then you can go to the folder of the hidden blade and go to animation, and then click on this, and then you can just copy by right clicking and dragging. And then back to the FX and paste using Control V. And do that for the blade out right and blade out left. Like this. Then the blade out left. You can check the arrows to see if it's going right. Then you will want to go back to the FX and go to the right hand and highlight the arrow and the box and copy. Go back and paste. And then you will want to go to the fist and add blade out false, because it is using the fist as the toggle. If you want it to be another animation, you just have to change this number to whatever number is on here. So point is number 3, you would change this to number 3, and then you would add this blade out to point and delete it for fist. And then you want to do the same for left hand. Add blade out false. And that should be it for the animations. One thing for the avatar, you will need to cut out the texture underneath the hidden blade so it doesn't clip. So I made a little thing for the otter that is a little guide that you can just select and just delete everything that you selected, and it will work that way for the otter. You will, if it's any other avatar, you will have to find the area that you need to cut out of the texture underneath the arm, or put it into Blender and delete the polygons. Whatever way works. It's just so it doesn't clip through when you're moving your hands. So now you can just save this to here. And then you can just add that texture, drag it in here that doesn't have the hands, and put it to 4K and add it to this. Then lock it back. Now that you got all the animations done, you can do a quick check to see if it's actually attached to your arm by just rotating it at the different points, seeing if it actually moves as your hand. Looks good. Now it's ready to upload.